Hi guys, we're back again with a little video for you today. Today we're just going to look around Scratch and see what each of the colours mean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my version of Scratch. There we go, it's called Scratux. Same as your Scratch, but mine's just slightly different. We'll wait for it to open and we'll make it full screen for you, okay? So it's nice and full screen now. Now this is what we're going to look at over here, because I know some of you do get confused what is what, okay? But if you think about it, it's quite sensible really. It says what it does, okay? So motion means movement. So in the blue section, the light blue section, or shall we call it the dark blue section? We'll call that the dark blue section for now. As you can see, we can move 10 steps. We can turn, because it's all motion, yeah? Or we can go to random position. Go to a certain place on the screen. Point towards a certain direction, change your X and Y, and set your star rotation, which we'll show you in another video, okay? So that's that one. Let's just get rid of all them to start with. So that's our blue, dark blue, okay? The next colour is like a purple colour, isn't it? And that's looks. And that means what your actual character looks like. So our character, or sprite, is Scratch. If we go to looks, you can see it says say hello. And some of you are saying, well, that's a sound. Well, no, this is a speech bubble. And I'll show you what I mean. I'll quickly go to events. No, I won't. I'll click on now. And we'll go when spacebar pressed, okay? If we put that there and then press the spacebar, my cat over here says hello for 2 seconds. Yeah? That was quite simple, wasn't it? So looks is slightly different from sounds. Plus you can change all your costumes, your colours, your size. Whatever you can see or look at, you can change. When we do go to sound, it actually plays a sound. So if I put that there and go to events again, and we go to when clicked, if I was to press the green button, you would hear it go meow. Simple. Thirdly, we have yellow, okay, which is events. It means when something happens or you do something. So when you click on the green flag, when you press the space key, when the backdrop switches, it's when something happens, yeah? Quite simple really, and it is. And that's why we use the colour system. Now the orange colour, which is control, is different. It's controlling your sprite. So here you're telling it to wait 1 second. You're telling it to do something. You're controlling it, yeah? Another one down here, when I start as clone. So when you make a copy, you're telling it to do something. So that's control. Now, as I said to you before, this is quite simple, really. So sensing is when you can sense something. Now, we know we've all got senses, haven't we? We can see, we can hear, we can taste, we can smell, and we can touch. And we mainly use sensing for touch, okay? So if I go to here, it says here, touching mouse pointer. When it senses you're touching, something's touching it, it will move the mouse pointer, because that's all we've got at the moment, okay? Another one here, ask, what's your name? Yeah, when you touch something, because it's all sensing. Operators, these are different. This is more like maths, and we have done these in programs before, but we'll come to this in a different video. And we'll do the same with variables, but variables you have to make, and that means it's a variable. It can change. It's variable. So it might be 0 for this one and 1 for that one. It all depends, okay? That's what variable means. And finally, the scarlet, we call it, or pink, is my blocks. That's when you make your own blocks, but we don't really need to use that yet. We only use that when you get up to year 6, really, okay? So that's what the main colours mean in Scratch, or Scratch, okay? Really simple. Another quick video. I'll see you at time. Bye bye.